I personally used to scale a business to over $1.2 million in just 9 months. What's up guys, my name is Josue Pena from Online CEOs and welcome to our training and case study today. Over the next 10 minutes or so, I will be showing you exactly how our Profit Diamond framework works and how it can help you get 20 to 50 new high ticket clients over the next 30 days from free Instagram traffic, and how this exact framework has allowed us to scale a business over 7 figures in a very short amount of time by simply recording videos with our phone and uploading it to Instagram. And excuse me if I'm seeming rushed, but I want to make sure that you are exactly in the right place. So if you are an agency owner, coach, or course creator who wants to get a more consistent flow of leads and high ticket clients and be able to scale with automated systems, then listen up. Because this is the exact strategy I personally use to scale a business to over $1.2 million in just 9 months, and how today we're averaging over $10,000 to $20,000 per day cash collected. But most importantly, how this exact strategy has been able to help hundreds of our clients do exactly the same thing. And the craziest part is that all this was done by ditching podcasts, not by writing books, not by creating a ton of content and spending a ton of time doing that, by ditching the old school webinar, the Facebook group, the $47 ebook, the $97 course, all those things, we ditched them all and we simply changed them by a high ticket scalable offer that's more profitable, has a bigger impact, and that's easier to deliver in the way that we do it, because we do it with automated systems, and all through the power of our phone on Instagram. And here is some proof. And look, the reason why you're not having and seeing these results yourself is simply because you're following a harder path. It's similar to you trying to, for example, drink water out of your hand. Can you do it? Yeah, probably, but it's like spills all over instead of just simply using a cup and drinking water with it.
Nice.
And that is why in the way that we do it, we cut all the fat and we go lean and we focus on what actually matters. Getting more leads and getting more clients, and most importantly, creating an offer and a system to be able to deliver automatically. And this is the reason why our clients are able to be profitable in the first 14 to 21 days and get clients right away, even if they have a small following on their personal brand. You can see right here how we help one of our clients, John, launch his new e-commerce consulting agency to over $21,000 collected in profit in just 7 days, organically and with less than 400 followers.
My experience with Josue helped us create $21,000 in upfront cash, not revenue, not projected sales, but cash in a matter of 4 days. He has experience in all of this, okay? Whether it's from creating a course, selling a course, marketing a course, he has done it. He has proven results.
Now, you might be asking yourself, why am I sharing it with you for free? Well, it's very simple, right? I want to show you exactly how all this stuff works, show you cold hard proof for you to see what working with us actually looks like and what results we actually promise to you. That way you can see how we can help you get more clients and grow your personal brand in the right way, and we can start working together. Because we are the only company in the marketplace, and I am proud to say this, that literally gives one-on-one unlimited support to every single client, meaning one-on-one unlimited chat and also one-on-one unlimited Zoom calls as needed. Plus, doing the work for you. We go above and beyond for every single one of our clients to make sure that every single one has amazing experience and amazing results. And that is the only reason why right here on this page, you're able to see hundreds and hundreds of client success stories of people just like you who started, worked together, and we crushed it for them. And it's only because we implemented the right systems in place. And to this day, those exact systems are producing over 7 figures a month between all of our clients. This is literally to show you what the Profit Diamond system is capable of and exactly how it can help your business today. So I'm just gonna get straight to the point and deliver the content you came in here for, and why Instagram with the Profit Diamond system that we're running is by far the best opportunity right now for your business to get more leads and close high ticket sales in a very automated way. And just for being here today, if you make it until the end of this video, I'm going to deliver a full $1,000 course and just send it over to you to your email that you used to register for 95% off. A full $1,000 course for just 47 bucks. Hansel just had 3,000 followers and was stuck not getting clients for his relationship coaching business because he thought he needed a big following in order to grow his business. Now, after working with me, right here, he's sitting at $11,000 in just 24 hours with one single Instagram story video.
Made me 11K in 1 day off of one story.
Whoa!
Bro, thank you so much, bro. That was the best day of my life, too. So if you're thinking about it, get on it. He's the shit. He knows what he's talking about. And I've made more money than that, but that day I just made so much, and it was just like super impactful. So
Today, he's doing over $200,000 a month, and all of this from Instagram and his personal brand. So now that we got that out of the way, and you know you can trust me because we know what we're talking about, and we have proven track record with cold hard proof, let's just get started. This right here is the Profit Diamond framework that has 4 pillars to be able to scale and get new high-ticket clients for your online business. And if you're able to get this and grasp it, you're going to do insanely well. And one of them is actually our favorite one and the most famous one, which is the BLACKBOX conversion system. And the reason why most people don't do well on Instagram is because they try to bring old tactics or other strategies from other platforms and apply it to Instagram. They simply don't work like that. The first step is what we have called the offer and phishing angles. And both of these things need to be on point and they need to grab people's attention in the right way. Your offer is basically what you sell, who you sell it to, how you deliver it, which is super important, and also the price point at what you deliver it at. Meaning, what do you sell? Well, are you selling an agency service, a coaching program, or a course, right? Who do you sell it to? Are you selling it to somebody specific and a specific avatar? Again, remember, riches are in the niches. How are you delivering it, right? You don't want to be delivering it like $100 an hour consulting or something like that because you can't scale. That's an offer that's not scalable. It's gonna be really, really hard to do that. Now, and finally, the price point, right? You don't want to be pricing it low because what's gonna happen is you're gonna attract low quality buyers. The quality of the buyer is completely different just because of the price point. For example, McDonald's, $5 burger, very low quality buyer. Here in Miami, Salt Bay, for example, $100 hamburger, very high quality buyer. Which one do you want to be? After you have the offer, what you want to do is work on what we call the phishing angles. And this is what it is. Let me just do an example with one of our clients, Lady Boss. They don't say we are in fitness. They don't say that. What they do say is they help women lose weight and love themselves again. So instead of being super general, they're being very specific with what we call the 3P statement. Person, problem, promise. Who do you help? What problem do you solve to them? And what promise do you give them? And once you have both your offer and phishing angles, everything else falls like a domino extremely easy. For example, Dave right here, he went from being a bartender who got laid off because of the pandemic and was struggling literally at broke zero, right? He was struggling to get leads and clients to literally $19,000 in profit in just the first 30 days. And 365 days later, a year later, after he started implementing this, he crossed that $100,000 cash in the bank month.
It's your boy Ecom Dave. I have made $19,000 and I still have 5,000 more to collect. Now you guys just wait till this is over. I'm gonna get to 7 figures. Thank you, Josue. Thank you for showing me the way.
Now on to number 2, marketing. And here's the cool part about Instagram. Instagram literally gives you 5 to 10 times more reach organically without having you to pay a single penny than any other platform out there. And the coolest part is that this is high quality traffic in the way that we do it. After all, selling a $3,000 offer, which is the bare minimum we have our clients start with, you only need 10 people to get to over $30,000 in a single month, which is why you don't even need a big following to do this. It is why, for example, one of our clients, Myra, literally in the first month with less than 1,000 followers, she was able to get to $30,000 cash collected in the bank.
My name is Myra. I was a 9-to-5 financial advisor. Honestly, it just didn't cut it for me. Wanted to be able to do things with my family. So I jumped off on my own. We fast forward a year later, 6-figure Amazon seller. I have a successful 7-figure wholesale business. Then I came across Josue and his entire team. For the Online CEOs Accelerator program, it was really a big game changer for me.
And this is why you don't need to have a lot of money to run ads at all. You don't need to cold email. You don't need to create that crazy old school webinar thing, and you don't need to be DMing strangers. In short, you want to be using the infomercial script and blueprint on Instagram because this is where your extra edge will come from. And here's the cool part. Most business owners don't know what I'm showing you here right now. Now, there's something very important I need to tell you. There's one big fat myth that most people think about Instagram, and I want to make sure I set it straight today. Now on to numero 3 of this Profit Diamond framework, and this is what we call the BLACKBOX conversion system. And this is literally where you swipe and take your competitors' traffic, obviously in an ethical way, and you position yourself as an authority in front of those potential customers to be able to close them a lot easier. What most people don't realize is that Instagram literally gives you all the traffic and all the competitors' traffic right there in the palm of your hands. And all you have to do is position yourself in the right way, put yourself in front of those people, and use what we call the black box conversion system to swipe those people and close them as clients. Now, let's just say you're an agency owner, coach, or course creator, and you have something you want to sell, a product or service that's literally transformational that can impact people's lives in a positive way. When you use the black box conversion system in the way I'm showing you right here, you will literally have people almost begging you to work with you on a daily basis just from Instagram, even if you have a small following. And this brings me to number 4, which are the automated systems. Now, let me give you a brief warning right here because I've seen this way too many times in our clients' businesses. I have personally lost over $150,000 in over 5 years trying to figure this part out of exactly how to get high ticket clients with Instagram and automate it in a way that is systematic and that supports growth. And when I see people try to do it with trial and error, it literally hurts my heart because a lot of cases they're even able to figure it out at all and they have massive losses along the way. When in reality, they don't even need to go through all that pain and suffering because you can literally just have somebody do the work one-on-one with them and most importantly, even do the work for them. And that is why we have so many success stories because I've personally done this hundreds of times and we help every single client one-on-one, and in a lot of cases, we even do the work for them. We work together, put the right offer and phishing angles in place, and we do the work for them. Then after that, we implement the right marketing process, aka the Instagram story infomercials and blueprint and entire scripts. We do them for them. And then we go to the black box conversion system and we do it for them. And then finally, to sustain all the growth in an automated and passive way, we build for them the entire automated systems, meaning the funnels, the tech, the CRM, the text messages, the email, the integration, the custom coding, the design, all and everything that's included to build this cash cow machine. We completely do it for them one-on-one with our clients. That way they avoid all the money and time wasted and allows them to be profitable very, very fast and get high ticket clients extremely quickly, even in the first 14 to 21 days. So in short, we build entire profit diamond system, which is this right here, completely with them and done for them. Our profit diamond framework is designed in a dummy-proof way so that you can implement our systems and get high ticket clients without any hassle, fear, or zero guesswork. Or you can follow the same strategy that has been followed by hundreds of our clients before you. And so, how would you like to get new high ticket clients from your personal brand and on Instagram? Because right now, guys, what we're looking for is our next clients and partners. The next people who are going to become our biggest client success stories. People who are seriously interested and are going to go all in into this to make sure they have amazing results. And how would you like our one-on-one help to implement the profit diamond system inside of your own business and personal brand? So I'm going to offer you exactly that. If you go right beneath this video, there's going to be a button that's going to take you to a page where you can fill out a short application for us to learn a little bit more about your business, and then you can schedule a call with either myself or one of the advisors on our team. We will sit down one-on-one with you, look at your business, and give you exactly what you need to make sure your online business is successful with Instagram with a unique strategy specifically designed for you. We will show you the exact offer with phishing angles you need to be running, give you the IG story infomercial script and the black box conversion system so you can go out there and crush it without having to waste a ton of time and money. I don't like pushing a boulder uphill, if that makes sense. I like pushing it downhill because I honestly don't like to work harder than I have to. I don't like drinking water out of my hand. I just like to use a cup. And that is why we only work also with clients who have a product and service that want to sell for $2,000 at a bare minimum. And we also only work with clients who want to grow a highly profitable personal brand with Instagram because they see the power in it, which is honestly the lowest hanging fruit there is right now. And of course, we only work with clients who are done with you or are done for you help with the profit diamond system to implement it right away inside of their business. And finally, we only work with people who want to get started on this right away, aka ASAP right now. Because they know that no opportunity lasts forever. And the one resource that you don't have forever is time. So we only work with people that want to get started right now ASAP. So again, the first step is click the button down below. You're going to be taken to a short application. There's a few questions for us to know a little bit more about your business. And then you will schedule your free diagnosis session where we will uncover exactly where you are right now, where do you want to go, and what's preventing you, what's that thing in the middle, and how we can help you bridge that gap to help you there faster. We'll identify the areas that you need the most help with. Maybe it's the offer and phishing, or maybe it's the marketing, maybe it's the black box conversion system, maybe the automated system, whatever that is, we'll be able to see it right there on the diagnosis session and then be able to create a custom plan specifically designed for you on how we can help you get to your goal. Now, something very, very, very important for me is to making sure that we are the right fit for one another, right? I'm from the Dominican Republic, and there's a saying over there that says the best divorce is the one that doesn't happen. And what I mean by this is I need to make sure and have 100% 100% confident that I can actually help you get to your goal, and only then we will offer you something to work together. If we feel like we can't help you, we will tell you right there on the call and say, hey, I don't think it's a good fit. But if we feel like we can, we'll definitely offer you something specifically for you to see how we can help you get to your goal. But again, and of course, we actually only have limited spots available for this because we're taking calls one-on-one with every single person, and we're only looking for a select few clients that we can actually do this with and do it for them. The diagnosis session is completely free, so just click the link down below, fill out that short survey, and schedule it out. And we will see on the call if it's a good fit or not, and only if it's a good fit, we'll offer something to see how we can help you. And the only reason for us as a company in online sales, why we are successful, the only reason for that is because we actually deliver results to our clients, okay? And for us as a company here inside of online sales, the only reason why we have a successful company that is growing, it is only because we have amazing success stories and we actually deliver to our clients, okay? Because we actually are only successful when you are. So again, finally, click the button below. Myself and my team, I cannot wait to speak to you over the next day or so. We're super excited and super pumped to be able to help you and see how we can help you grow your business with the Profit Diamond framework that we just showed here today. So again, click the link below. Super excited to start working with you and seeing if we can actually help you grow your business.